Join us in a playful journey, guided by the light of friendly. Stay with us and watch. You will love it.
Inquiry is a remarkable gift, a tool that allows humanity to peel back the layers of nature's mysteries. Yet, as we advance, we must recognize the boundaries of our understanding. The more we learn, the more we uncover the vastness of the unknown, which should inspire awe rather than arrogance. Our intellect, while powerful, can sometimes lead us astray, ensnaring us in webs of illusion. We construct elaborate theories, each one a testament to our ingenuity, only to find that many of our certainties crumble under scrutiny. Each revelation is a reminder of our limitations, a call to humility in the face of the infinite complexity of the universe. Instead of succumbing to pride, we must embrace the reality that our quest for knowledge is ongoing, a journey that reveals more questions than answers. In this pursuit, let us celebrate the wisdom of the Creator, whose design we can only begin to fathom.
Next time you ponder the universe, remember, behind every effect, there's always a cause waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, my friends.